Are you ready to go from this to this? Follow us on our Teas to Your Door journey as we make our Halloween charcuterie board. There's just a few simple steps. Start with some craft paper, add a few decorations, and of course, grab that highlighter because we're gonna draw out the word boo. What's it about, ladies? The details! So we went outside, grabbed some flowers for our greenery, and we walked our happy little feet back inside to look at all of these delicious goodies. I mean, come on. Now it's time for the fun part. Place whatever, wherever. Yes, it's that easy. There is no science to this madness. The key to a perfect charcuterie board is using a variety of candy, fruit, crackers. One of our specialties was that we used pretzels and dipped them in white chocolate, adding little white chocolate eyes, and they looked like little ghosts. They were super cute. We also peeled a bunch of oranges and placed little celery tops on top to make little pumpkins. Details like this will have your guest jaws dropping. Last but not least, use the leftover stuff to fill in the empty space. So, tell us what you think. Is this something you'll be able to do at home? Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more tips and tricks on charcuterie boards. Let us know what you think.